Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify for order processing productivity hacks, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Shopify, open your web browser. Type in the Shopify website URL. Press enter to load the home page. In the upper right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. Next, input your password. If you prefer, you can check the Remember Me box for quicker access in the future. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. To improve order processing productivity, navigate to the Orders section on the left sidebar. Click on Orders to view your pending and completed orders. Take note of the filters available at the top of the Orders page. Use these filters to sort orders by date, status, or fulfillment. This can help you prioritize which orders to process first. For bulk order processing, select multiple orders using the checkboxes. Once selected, look for that Actions drop-down above the order list. Click on Actions to access multiple processing options. Consider automating order fulfillment with third-party apps available in the Shopify App Store. You can also streamline communication by enabling notifications for new orders. For enhanced productivity, explore the Apps section to find tools that suit your business needs. Take time to customize your settings for notifications under Settings. This helps ensure you receive updates in real time. Regularly review your order analytics in the Analytics section. This can provide insights into your order patterns and customer preferences. By following these steps, you'll maximize your productivity in order processing on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.